Assalamu alaikum 10th class. I hope you are listening me in a good state of health. So today is the turn of our exercise. Our chapter has been completed now. So we will move to exercise today. Okay. First of all, tell me that you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. आप कैसी हैं?
And where are the other participants of your class? They don't know about the online classes. Why are
टीचर मुझे नहीं पता कि उन्हें पता है या नहीं.
Okay, let's start with the filling the blanks. So I have written all the answers on the whiteboard. You can take a screenshot of the whiteboard. And I will read the MCQs and blanks from the book, and you have to mark with your lead pencil on your book. Okay? So let's start with the filling the blanks. 1. The set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem is called dash. And the answer is program. Second blank. The set of rules for writing programs in a programming language is known as dash of the language. So the answer is syntax. Third, flowchart is a dash representation of algorithm. So pictorial is the answer. Fourth, an algorithm solves a problem in dash number of steps. Answer is finite number of steps. Fifth, during dash, a problem is decomposed into multiple sub-problems. And the answer is analysis. 6. Debugging is the process of finding and removing dash in a program. So answer is errors. 7th, program dash refers to the installation of the program in the user environment. And the answer is implementation. 8th, occurrence of a dash error crashes the program. And answer is runtime. So in this way, we have completed our question number 1, fill in the blanks. Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
have you written all the answers on the book?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to question number 2, which is choose the correct option from the given options. So here are the answer I have written on the whiteboard. You can take a screenshot and you can view them. So I will start reading the questions. 1. Basic. B-A-S-I-C is a dash. Option A, high level language. B, low level language. C, assembly language. D, machine language. So correct answer is A, high level language. MCQ 2. How many possible solutions are there for a problem? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, multiple. So the correct answer is D, multiple. You will go for multiple. MCQ 3. Program upgradation refers to dash. A, program enhancement. B, program identification, C, program development, D, program implementation. So the answer is A, program enhancement. 4. Which of the following tasks are performed by most of the algorithms? A, input, B, output, C, processing, and D, all of these. And the correct answer is D, all of these. 5. Typographical errors in basic statement are A, runtime errors, B, logical errors, C, syntax errors, D, execution errors. And the answer is C, syntax errors. 6th, the diamond symbol represents the dash. A, input output, B, decision making, C, processing, D, remarks. So you will go for the B, decision making, which is the right answer. 7th, division by 0 is A, syntax error, logical error, runtime error, and even not an error. So the answer is runtime error. 8th, which of the following documents describe various features of the software and the way it is used? A, software requirement, B, problem description, C, user manual, D, algorithm. And the correct answer is C, user manual. Okay. 9th, algorithm is our dash. So B is the right answer, design document. 10th, the technique divide and conquer is used to solve. So the answer is D, complex and large problems.
So 10th class, this is the exercise we have done today. Here are the filling blanks. And then we did the MCQs, which are 10 in numbers. And then we did the true false. So in this way, our exercise has been completed. So these are the questions you can do by yourself. Because we have read the chapter thoroughly. So you don't have any difficulty while solving these questions, right? So I recommend you to find out the answers of these questions and try it yourself. Thank you so much.